Sheesh. Sheesh. Y'all already know, gang. It's a whole box, too. They ain't, that shit filled to the top. Y'all already know what's up. It's 4th of July, bro. Happy 4th to everyone. We getting our shit started. We had to get last-minute shopping, fireworks, but it's just gonna be lit. Homie hooked me up. We got a fire deal. Make sure y'all come tap in. Maybe next year I'll get myself some fireworks so I could push and stuff. Cause you can make some good money, but you gotta have money. It takes money to make money. Feel me, gang? Make that be a lesson, bro. Cause everybody wants shit for free and expect to make money off of it, but nah, bro. It takes money to make money. Some people get it for free. Not gonna lie. Some people have it like that, but whenever you gotta work and hustle, it feels better whenever you get it, bro. So take that game from Money Mark, gang. You feel me? Get up out of here real quick. All right, gang. Check it. This is only what I got, man. Gucci. We split it up and stuff, so we got more over there. I'll show y'all all the fireworks later, but I just wanted to show y'all these. What I got. We got this 9-shot one right here. And then we got two of these ones. And we got the Road to Freedom. Big dog fireworks, you feel me? Check that out. That one's like 12 shots. And then, gang, check this one out, bro. This one's main event. Shit. Look at that. 900 shots. 900 shots, bro. This shit go crazy. 900. They do all kinds of them, too, like those crazy ones. But, yeah, gang. We got fireworks ready. And these is only the little bit of them. I'll show you the rest when we get there and stuff. But what do you know, gang? We ready. Happy 4th. Make sure y'all stay safe, though. And I'll show y'all when we do something else. And definitely when we starting to light those. But stay lit. I love y'all. Money, gang. What's poppin'? We back, bro. And we here at 4th of July. Shit, I'm a little lit, gang. Y'all can see, but I'm like 3, maybe 4 shots in. Or, I don't even know, bro. But, yeah, we pretty lit. We just chilling right now, eating, having a good time, taking a couple shots. Wanted to pop on and show y'all, though. Talk to y'all for a second, because next time you see me, bro, we probably gonna be doing fireworks, gang. And I'm excited for that. I can't wait, bro. This sun needs to already go down so your boy could get those fireworks up. But it's just gonna be lit. We got mad fireworks. Let's show y'all what's good. And if y'all doing fireworks, bro, happy 4th of July, first of all. And if y'all doing fireworks, make sure you stay safe. And shit. Put in the comments for fireworks for next year I should buy, because I'm going to try to buy a lot more fireworks next year so I can even sell them to people, make some money. But yeah, put some of the dopest fireworks in there so I can look for them. And maybe y'all see them next year in the next vlog, you feel me? But no, I just want to pop on here and tell y'all, say what's up, and get this shit a little longer, bro. I would play it over here, but it's a little freaking music. The music kind of went off right now, so I might be able to go over there real quick. Show y'all what's up with the fan. Nah, but music is going on, so I'll probably have to mute it. But yeah, bro, we chilling. Oh yeah. The fan, bro. Look at this, bro. Look at these trees, bro. They have like little mist coming off of them. That shit feels fire, bro. Fire. Feels good. Oh, look. Feel that shit. Oh, that shit feels good, gang. It's hot, too. We got a freaking hot bathtub and shit. That's dope backyard, bro.
Money in the bank.
That's all good, guys. Y'all already know, gang. We just starting the fireworks. I already know. Wait till I get mine up poppin', man. We gonna get crazy. Sheesh. Y'all hear that, gang? That sounds like 4th of July. Yeah, gang. Hear that? That shit sounds dope. No, that's fireworks.
No way.
Yeah, hell yeah. Those are big ones, though. Sheesh, y'all hear that, gang? We gotta do something like that. I think that was the grand finale at the park. But yeah, we better go light some, gang. 4th of July's been dope, you know. Thank y'all for coming with me, tapping in. Make sure y'all stay safe and shit. Watch some fireworks with your boy. Money, gang. What's up, gang? Let's get this shit bobbing back. Light it. We usually use a backwood, but gotta use the blazy. Ooh. Oh, I like dirt parking. Check this out, gang. Y'all already know, bruh. We had to pull the 900 shots out here. Pop it up. Let's get this shit lit, gang. All right, gang. So those are. We'll see. We'll see. Of those?
It ain't done yet, look. It ain't done yet. Nah, it's still flowing.
Look at it go. Look at that. What shirt are you wearing, fool? You wearing that Money Mark?
What about what shirt I'm wearing?
Hold up. How are those? What the hell? I think that, and then I think there's a couple of mortars too. I don't know though. So that, like a little finale type shit. That's it. Damn, gang. Check this shit out. Aired out the whole block. All the little bullets and shit. Everywhere, bro. Aired out the whole block, bro. So with it. Nah, but that was dope. We had a good time, bro. Good 4th. All love, all family, bro. Make sure y'all had a good 4th too. We got lit. Had some good fireworks. But yeah, make sure y'all drop in the comments what are the dopest fireworks so I could get them next year. And we can have like a real crazy one, cause shit, I'll drop some money on them. We dropped 500 on these. Well, not all of these ones, cause we split, but I dropped 300 on those. So I mean, a little tax, but that's what I'm saying. If y'all let me know, I'll go out there and get them myself, get the fire ones, bigger ones. But we had a good time, bro. I don't really have no illegal fireworks. This was like the only time I had them. Shit was dope. It was dope. But love y'all, gang. Y'all stay lit. Money, gang.